I think Metrios is one of the most user-friendly machines I've ever used.
The biggest thing for us is the time saving. We had Kians, we had a few other companies we looked at, but Metrios is much more user-friendly to use.
The touchscreen capability of the Metrios is amazing. It's just using it like your phone.
We have a lot of critical dimensions we have to check on drawings, so we can use the machine to get all these dimensions we need regularly, very quickly. Checking parts the conventional way is still possible, but we're wasting a lot of time. There's new technology there now, embrace it, use it. That's what it's there for. So over the last 10 years, CNF's grown significantly and we continue to grow, both in terms of machines and staff and equipment we're purchasing. So we're high precision machinists. We do everything from simple 2-axis turning through to full simultaneous 5-axis machining. So we predominantly operate in the defence, aerospace and medical sectors. That's the core of our work. So we've always gone for the best machines we can buy on the shop floor. So why would we not do the same with inspection? Inspection is a critical part of the business. We've invested into the Metrios and the VICIVISION machine purely to give us that scope to check parts at speed, at accuracy, and give reports our customers are going to be very happy with.
We're struggling a lot with especially like small parts that you can't see or you can't measure on CMM because it's just too small. So we had to use handheld gauges. We had to sometimes use just a shadow graph, but shadow graph you can make it what you want because you're moving the X and Y. We wanted something more accurate so we know for sure that the data is correct.
When we first started looking at the machines, we had Kians, we had a few other companies we looked at, and we had some demonstrations, but our general feeling was the Metrios in particular was much more user-friendly to use. The ability to use the screen, you can swipe your finger around the diameter to measure the diameter. It just seemed much more intuitive to actually use that system than some of the other ones we saw. My initial demo I had was at the Mac exhibition in Birmingham, and then your guys kindly came to our factory to demonstrate it to me again and also to all the other staff in the workshop. Most of them were blown away by the ease of use and the speed of getting dimensions out of the part that's on the machine. I think once we'd had the demonstration here, it was a foregone conclusion we were going to buy the machine.
I think Metrios is one of the most user-friendly machines I've ever used. The touchscreen capability of the Metrios is amazing. It's just using it like your phone. So everyone basically in the world has a phone, a touchscreen phone nowadays, so it's that easy. It helps a lot with the confidence because we know when we check it on the Metrios, we check 10 parts. So when we check 10, 20, 30 parts, or even if we make 1,000 parts, we can check 1,000 parts if we want to. Because the Metrios, in one hit, we can check 10, 15 parts. So within an hour, I can check 1,000 parts easily and make sure, okay, all the parts are good to the customer. We check a lot of multiple parts, so especially like bolts, screws, any tiny parts. We'll lay 10, 20 parts in one hit. We're running a part downstairs right now, which without the Metrios, we would have never been able to do it. Is he's checking every single part on the Metrios because he's got time. He lets one part run, takes the next one off, puts on the Metrios, all green, good, brings it back and then gets the next one off. Without the Metrios, we don't have enough time to check it manually by the time the next part is finished. Because checking a part manually on a manual CMM would take an hour.
It was all about ease of use for us because we knew that the inspector himself wouldn't necessarily be the one that would always have the time to use it. We needed people on the shop floor to be able to use the machine at the same time. Though it's only working on 2D, we can actually measure quite a significant amount of features on that top face, on that flat face it's measuring with the camera. So again, speed. So now we can put a part on top of the machine. In some cases, we don't even need to find the program. The machine finds the program for us, and we can get a fully comprehensive report. And we have many customers now where we have to do 100% inspection on 100% of the parts. So we have to create a report for every part. The Metrios has been a game changer for that because we haven't got to worry about CMMs or making someone type reports out. Metrios is saving us a lot of time. Quality management of our business is very important. So we make a commitment to them for quality management. We're AS9100, we're ISO 9001. We put a lot of emphasis and a lot of time and energy into inspection. That's both for during manufacture and final inspection processes. So we kind of pride ourselves and we've got a very good comprehensive inspection department downstairs.
So repeatability is one of the key factors in our workplace because of the quantity of parts we make. So we want to make sure the first part, and let's say the 500 part, is the same quality. So that's why Metrios comes into place, where we can run the first part, we can run the 100 parts, 200 parts, or the 500 parts, and they all should be the same. The workshop guys can go and check every 10 parts, every 5 parts, and make sure the quality stays the same throughout the whole process. With the Metrios, we get all the reporting, so automatically it puts it for your PDF, so you don't have to do anything. And that traceability we can attach to our job docs and to to our system. So in 5 years' time, we can still go back and look at the reports that we created. The service and support has been amazing. I would say much better than most with VICIVISION Metrios. It's within instant help. And it was instant phone call team. You can do this, you can't do this, and straight away I got an answer rather than waiting 2 days, 3 days.
So I would definitely recommend Metrios and VICIVISION machines to any other engineering company for companies that want to get a comprehensive report for their customer and have confidence in what they're making. It gives you the ability to check way more components than you probably otherwise would, purely because of time.